Boo boop boop boo. Make out a plum tree. Or is that cherries? I actually can't tell. What are those? Just not sure. Ah, they're peaches. Apple tree. Shed. A random ass couch. Probably gonna turn this into a hangout area for me and my friends. It's probably what I'm gonna do. Because no one's using this place, so I might as well turn into a hangout area, you know? I mean, go wrong. There's that power there. And if we get the lights fixed, but that's okay. So, so look at all that Kool-Aid. I'm probably gonna keep that actually. Yeah, need to clean this place up. But might just make into a hangout area. Random ass bowl. Nasty. Thanks. Yeah. Be a cool place to make it to a hangout. Bait little chairs. But yeah. Might have some help clean this place out and work on that. Maybe my brother might want to help or something. You know? Yeah. That's my recording. I do want this though. Not gonna lie, I want that. What's that? Huh. Oh, alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed I may or may not have found some weed. You know what? I'm not against it. Alright, well, that was my video. Hope you guys enjoyed.